Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. So if you are new to Mac and if you're wondering how to install Firefox browser in your Mac, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, in order to install Firefox browser, all you have to do is, first of all, you have to go to Safari. Now you might be wondering, why should I go to Safari when I have App Store? I can download Firefox directly from App Store. Yes, you're right, but Firefox browser is not available in App Store. So you can see I've searched for Firefox browser and I'm not able to see it over here. So which is why we have to go to Safari browser, and over here you have to search for firefox.com. So this is the official website of Firefox, and down here you get an option to download Firefox. So you just have to tap on it and the downloading will be started. Once you get a pop-up screen like this, you have to tap on allow, and now you can see download is in progress. So we have to wait. So now the file is downloaded. If I go to downloads, you can see it is downloaded. And where can you check it? You can just simply go to Finder in dock and go to downloads. So this is the file which I have downloaded just now. So what you have to do is you have to double tap on the file and you'll get a pop-up window like this. You have to drag this Firefox icon to app folder. So click and hold it and drag it like this. Now what it will do is it will install Firefox, and once it is done, after that you can just simply go to applications in Finder, and over here you can search for Firefox. So now you can see the app or the browser has been installed. You can double tap to open it. Now you can see it is opening the Firefox browser. Tap on open, and now you can see we have successfully installed Firefox in Mac. So you can follow the steps if you want to. You can sign in Firefox. If you want to import your bookmarks from other browser, you can do that as well. Let me know if you want a dedicated video on that or not. You can just mention that in comments. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. This is how simple it is to install Firefox in Mac. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.